Okay, I'm back. I almost made a bigger mistake already because my wife, Patricia, she says this is for the flour. You put in 1.5 cup, a 2 cup, a 5 cup, and I almost put the hot water in here. She said, no, stupido. You put the hot water in this because this is for a liquid and this is for a solid. I got that. Okay. I'm learning something new every day. I'm only 73 years old. I got a lot of learning, a lot of years. All right, here we go. We add a half a teaspoon, or maybe quarter teaspoon. I think it says a quarter teaspoon of this yeast. Little more, little less. The most greatest of cooks and the chefs don't have to use this stuff. They know exactly how to do it by look. But I'm not that good. This is all brand new to me. Okay, those are the yeast. Now, we get it the hot water. 1.5 cups of hot water. From the tap. You know what that means? A tap, a tap, a tap, a tap, a dance. I think it's a dance, but I think it's a water too. All right, there we go. This is 1 cup. Mix. 1 cup, a half. What the hell is that half? Ah, okay. Give or take a little bit. Okay, we got it a half. Now, aspetta, I'll be right back. I forgot the thing to stir. Alright, come on, la 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 la. Use this. You can either use this or this. I don't know, but maybe I use this. Okay, now we get around and around. This is what I do. It's better to look at me than to look at this because I don't know what I'm doing. So this is the best to do. Around and around. Now, I'm going to do this for a little while, and just because this is going to take a little while, we're going to go to a break because this is boring doing this for 10 or 15 minutes. I'll be right back. Don't go away. This is very important. This is no need of bread. You needed the bread, but this you don't have to need it. You love it though. Love the bread after you cook it.